Okay, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 11, fractions of class 4. So let's start. So get started. So here you can see some beautiful pictures, like write the fraction for the colored part. Like A part, here you can see 2 equal parts given. Out of 2, 1 is shaded. So what will you write? 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, B part, equal parts 3. Out of 3, 2 are shaded. So what is the fraction? 2 by 3. Okay. So similarly, we can try remaining parts. So fraction. What's the meaning of fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole, like 1/2, 1 by 2, 1/3, 1 by 3, 1/4, 1 by 4, or you can say quarter, 2/3, 2 by 3, etc. Okay. So like here, this is one whole, complete, right? Now we are dividing into 4 equal parts. So 4 parts, okay. Now one part represents 1 out of 4, means 1 by 4, and 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. जो ऊपर नंबर है उसको हम बोलते हैं न्यूमरेटर, जो नीचे नंबर है उसको हम बोलते हैं डिनोमिनेटर. ओके. So fraction equals to upper part upon lower part. As I told you, upper part is said to be numerator and the lower part is said to be the denominator. Okay. So now let's see exercise 11.1. Very simple. Like the first one, shade the following figures as directed. So here A part, we have 2 equal parts given in this figure. So we have to shade 1 by 2. It means 1 part out of 2 we have to shade. Okay. Similarly, B part, here 1 by 3 given, 3 equal parts given, it means 1 out of 3. So 1 part we have to shade, right? Now the second one, tell what fraction of each shape is shaded. So like A part, how many parts? Total parts 8. Out of 8, how many are shaded? 7. So what is the fraction? 7 by 8. Okay. Similarly, B part, total parts how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. Out of 8, 4 are shaded. So what is the fraction? 4 by 8. Right? Similarly, you can do C part. 3 equal parts here. 1 is shaded. So what is the fraction? 1 by 3. Okay. Now the third question, make a fraction where A part numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So how you will write fraction? 3 by 5. Okay. Numerator is 5 and denominator is 11. So 5 by 11. Fine. So like this we can try remaining parts. Now parts of a collection. We can find out about how many parts are we talking about the collection. Like there are 6 balls given. So half of them are blue. So how many are white? Half of them are blue means half of 6 are blue. Okay, it means half of 6. So it means divide 6 by 2 means 3 are blue and 3 balls are white. Right? So this 3 dots means therefore. This sign shows therefore. Okay. 1 dot up and 2 dots down. Fine. Now exercise 11.2. You can try these sums. Like the first one, there are 2 green rocks and 9 brown rocks in an aquarium. What fraction of the rocks are green? So total 2 green, 9 brown. It means total is 2 plus 9, 11. So total is 2 plus 9, that is 11. And what fraction are green? How many are green? 2 green. So 2 by 11. Okay. Now you can try remaining parts on your own. See, equivalent fractions. Now we are talking about equivalent fraction means equal fractions. So fractions that have the same value are called equivalent fractions. जिनकी value same होती है, those are equivalent fractions. Like see, Sonia's cake has been cut into 4 pieces. एक cake को हमने 4 pieces में cut किया, right? And Sohan's cake has been cut into 8 pieces. और सोहन के cake को हमने equally cut किया 8 pieces में. Now Sonia eats 2/4 of her cake, means out of 4 pieces she ate 2 pieces, and Sohan eats 4/8 of her cake. Sonia eats 2/4 of her cake and Sohan eats 4/8 of his cake. So did they eat the same amount of cake? So see, 2/4 means 2 pieces out of 4 and 4/8 means 4 pieces out of 8. So are these equal? Yes, because 2/4 means half of the cake. When you will reduce it, आप इसको lowest term में change करेंगे, you will get 1/2, half of the cake, and 4/8 is also 1/2. So that's why these are equivalent fractions. Okay? Now checking equivalent fractions. अब आपको 2 या उससे ज़्यादा fractions given है, you have to check whether these are equivalent or not. So how we can check it? So we can get an equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. Suppose एक fraction given है, suppose 1/2 is given, आपने इसके equivalent fractions find करने हैं. Then what will you do? आप क्या करेंगे? सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर को एंड डिनोमिनेटर को, राइट? सो 1/2 इज हेयर, इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 2 अप 2 डाउन, सो वी आर गेटिंग 2/4. अब आपको यू वांट मोर, तो आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 कर दो, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 कर दो, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. सो लाइक दिस वी आर गेटिंग these equivalent fraction. Okay, we can also get equivalent fraction by dividing with the same number. जैसे हमने multiply किया है, ऐसे हम divide भी कर सकते हैं same number से numerator and denominator को. Okay, so we can check whether two fractions are equivalent or not by the method of cross multiplying. आपके पास 2 fractions हैं, आपने check करना है these are equivalent or not. Then what will you do? आपने करना है cross multiply. So let's see example. Are 3/5 and 6/10 equivalent fractions? क्या ये equivalent fractions हैं? So what will you do? We cross multiply them. हम इनको cross multiply कर देते हैं. 3 को 10 से, 5 को 6 से. So 3 into 10, 5 into 6. Both are equal to 30. Their product is same. So hence we say that they are equivalent fractions. So you know how to cross multiply, you know very well. Cross multiply one numerator of the first fraction, denominator of the second fraction. Similarly, denominator of the first fraction with numerator of the second fraction. Okay. Now exercise 11.3 is very interesting. So let's see question number 1. Write the fraction for the shaded part. So A part, you can see 2 equal parts. So how many are shaded? Only one part is shaded. So what is the fraction? 1/2. Similarly C part, how many total parts? 9 parts. Out of 9, 6 are shaded. So 6/9. Okay, and then you can reduce it. So like this. You can try remaining parts. Now the second question, write one equivalent fraction. Now one fraction is given like B part 3/7. How you can find its equivalent fraction? So what you can do, 3/7. So what will you do? 3 into 2, 7 into 2. 6/14. यहाँ पे हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज 3 and 7 आर नॉट डिविजिबल बाय सेम नंबर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 3 into 2, 7 into 2. सपोज आपने C लेना है 5/6. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? 5 into 2, 6 into 2 means 10/12. Okay, like 15/20 I part, 15 and 20 both are divisible by 5. तो यहाँ पे आप डिवीजन कर सकते हैं बाय सेम नंबर डिवाइड बाय 5. सो व्हाट विल यू गेट? 3/4. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now the next one, third, use a cross multiplying method to find if the following fractions are equivalent or not. अब हमें चेक करना है whether these are equivalent or not. So let's start. Let's take B part. 2/3, 8/12. So what will you do? Cross multiply means 2 into 12, 24, 8 into 3, 24. So both are same, it means these are equivalent. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth one, fill in the space for the following equivalent fractions. Like A part, 5/6 equals to dash by 72. अब आप देखो 6 से 72 कैसे आएगा. आप फर्स्ट कंपेयर करो डिनोमिनेटर्स को. 6 and 72. How you are getting 72 from 6? Multiply by 12. 12 6 are 72. तो this is the rule. आपको 5 को भी किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 12 से. So answer is here 60. 60 upon 72. Okay. Similarly here B part 1/6 है. We are getting 7 by dash. So ऊपर आपके पास 7 is coming. How it is coming? 1 into 7. So नीचे भी आपको 6 into 7, that is 42. So like this you have to see by which number we have to multiply or divide, then you can get the answer, right? Now types of fractions. Fractions are of different types. There are two main types of fraction. The first one is like and unlike fractions, and the second one is proper and improper fractions. So now like fraction, if the denominators are the same in all the given fraction, we have to see the denominators. If all are same, then the fractions are like fractions. You can see example 2/6, 5/6, 3/6 are like fractions. Now come to unlike fractions. If the denominators are different, like this 2/3, 3/7, 5/8, all the denominators are not same, these are different, so these are unlike fractions. Okay, so you can say once again, if the denominators in the given fractions are different, then the fractions are called unlike fractions, or fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. So I hope it's clear to you difference between like and unlike. Like means same denominators and unlike means different denominators. Now we are coming to proper fractions. Proper fractions means when the numerator is less than the denominator. जब न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा होगा, स्मॉलर होगा. सो लाइक दिस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/6, 3/7, 4/9, 2/5. So many examples are here. Now improper fractions. Improper fractions are those fractions when numerator is greater or bigger than the denominator. जब numerator denominator से बड़ा हो जाएगा, then it becomes improper fraction, right? So for example 13/2, 15/4, 15 is bigger than 4. Similarly 10/4, 10 is bigger than 4. 7/3, so these are improper fractions. Now exercise 11.4, like the first question, fill in the blanks. A fraction that has a value less than 1 value is called a प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. जो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होता है उसकी वैल्यू इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 1. ओके. बी पार्ट, फ्रैक्शन हैविंग अ वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 होल आर कॉल्ड. जो 1 से बड़ा होगा दोज आर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. ओके. एंड द सी पार्ट, डैश फ्रैक्शंस हैव द सेम डिनोमिनेटर. कौन से फ्रैक्शन का सेम डिनोमिनेटर होगा? like fraction. Okay, so now the second one, write against each pair whether it's a pair of like or unlike fractions. like A part 3 by 5, 4 by 5, these are like fractions. B part 1 by 8, 1 by 10, see the denominators, these are different, so these are unlike. Okay, so the third one, circle the improper fraction. You can find which one is improper, like 4 by 7, no, because numerator is smaller than denominator. 9 by 7, yes, and 15 by 7, these are improper fractions. Okay, now we are coming to mixed fractions. Mixed fraction में क्या होता है? It contains two parts. Let's see. A mixed fraction is a whole number and a fraction. It has two parts. One is a whole number and one is a fraction. Like 3 whole 1 by 5. हम इसको कैसे बोलते हैं? 3 whole 1 by 5 or 5 whole 1 by 4. So these are mixed fraction, and we can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. हम दोनों को आपस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर में एंड इम्प्रॉपर को मिक्स्ड में, राइट? सो now example to convert improper fraction 6 by 5 as a mixed fraction. Now see the solution. 6 by 5, 6 is bigger than 5. So how we can write it? We can write it as 5 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 6 is 5 plus 1, so we can write 5 by 5 plus 1 by 5, and 5 by 5 is what? It is 1 only. So how we can write it as 1 whole 1 by 5. Okay. Now converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. अब mixed fraction से हम improper fraction में कैसे जा सकते हैं? Let's see. To change a mixed number into an improper fraction, the first step, multiply the whole number by the denominator, and the second one, add on the numerator of the fraction part. Like suppose its example here, convert 2 whole 3 by 4 into an improper fraction. See this example, how we can do it. So solution 2 whole 3 by 4 can be represented as 2 wholes and 3 by 4, some part, right? So 2 whole 3 by 4, what will you do? The first step, 4 into 2 whole part and denominator को multiply कर देंगे और उसमें add कर देंगे numerator को. So 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay, it's very simple. Now converting improper fraction into mixed numbers. To change an improper fraction into a mixed number, divide the numerator by the denominator. Quotient is the whole number and remainder is the numerator of the fractional part, and denominator is the same. See how? For example, 11 by 4. It means 11 is numerator and 4 is denominator. तो आपको क्या करना है? 11 को divide कर दो 4 से. 4 के टेबल में 11 doesn't come, so what to do? 4 2s are 8. यहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगे as a quotient. 8 here. 11 minus 8, that is 3. So 2 is quotient, 3 is remainder. So how we can write? Quotient is the whole part, okay, remainder as the numerator, और 4 तो नीचे ही आएगा. So what will you write? 2 whole 3 by 4. Okay, quotient becomes whole part, remainder becomes numerator, and divisor is denominator only, right? So it's very easy. Now comparing mixed fraction. When you know how to compare fractions, you know how to compare mixed fraction. It's very easy, not difficult. So let's see. The larger mixed fraction has the larger whole number part. जो बड़ा mixed fraction होगा उसका whole part भी बड़ा होगा, right? Or if both mixed fraction have the same whole number, the larger mixed fraction has the larger fraction part. अगर दोनों का whole number part same होगा, then जो उसका fractional part है जिसका बड़ा होगा, that would be bigger, right? See example, 4 whole 1 by 3 and 2 whole 1 by 3. We have to compare it. अब आप इनके पहले होल पार्ट्स देखो, 4 and 2, and of course 4 is bigger than 2, so the first one is bigger than the second one. Okay. Now exercise 11.5, express the following mixed fraction as improper fraction. So like A part, 1 whole 7 by 5, how you can do it? 1 whole 7 by 5, 5 into 1, 5 plus 7, 12 by 5. F part, 7 into 1, 7 plus 1, 8 by 7. Okay, like C part, 11 into 4, 44 plus 4, 48 by 11. So like this you can try remaining parts. Now we are doing comparison of fraction. See, observe the shaded portions and fractions of these figures. We have some figures here. You can see in each figure we have 9 equal parts, and the first one is 1 by 9. Shaded part is 1, so its fraction is 1 by 9. Here 2 parts are shaded, so its fraction is 2 by 9. Here 3 parts are shaded, so 3 by 9, and here 4 are shaded, so 4 by 9. तो आप देख सकते हैं इन चारों फ्रैक्शंस में which one is the bigger. So सबसे ज़्यादा shaded part इसमें है. It means 4 by 9 is biggest fraction. So you can see all the fractions are like fractions because they have the same denominator. सबके डिनोमीटर में 9 है, तो आपने किसको कंपेयर करना है? यू हैव टू कंपेयर द न्यूमरेटर. जिसका बिगर न्यूमरेटर होगा दैट वुड बी बिगर फ्रैक्शन, राइट? सो इन ऑल दीज फ्रैक्शन डिनोमिनेटर्स आर द सेम, सो दीज आर लाइक फ्रैक्शन. सो हेंस द फॉलोइंग मे बी कंक्लूडेड. इन लाइक फ्रैक्शन द फ्रैक्शन विद ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर. जो greater numerator है that would be greater, right? So now the next is, let us now observe the shaded portion of these figures. Now 3 figures given over here. The first one out of 4, 1 is shaded, 1 by 4. The second one total 5 parts, 1 by 5, and similarly total 6 parts, 1 is shaded, so 1 by 6. लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं which one is bigger. You can see the first one, 1 by 4 is bigger. 1 by 4 is bigger than 1 by 5, then it is bigger than 1 by 6. So here the numerators are the same. यहाँ पे क्या है? Numerators same है, but denominators are different. So what we are getting? If the numerators of 2 fractions are the same and the denominators are different, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. यहाँ पे उल्टा है, जिसमें smaller denominator होगा that fraction would be greater. Okay, once again I am telling you, if the numerators are same then you have to compare the denominators. जो denominator सबसे छोटा होगा वो fraction सबसे बड़ा होगा, उल्टा. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. Now we are doing ascending and descending order. See point 1, when the fractions are arranged from smaller to bigger, they are said to be in ascending order. जब हम उनको arrange करेंगे increasing order में, तो that is the ascending order. Like you can see example 1 by 5, 1 part shaded out of 5, here 2 parts are shaded out of 5. Here 3 are shaded out of 5, here 4 are shaded out of 5. So we have to arrange in increasing order. So 1 by 5 is smallest, सबसे छोटा 1 by 5, less than 2 by 5, less than 3 by 5, less than 4 by 5. Now point 2, when the fractions are arranged from bigger to smaller, जब हम बड़े से छोटे में जाते हैं, that is the descending order or decreasing order. So you can see example over here. Here they have given 7 equal parts. Out of 7, 6 are shaded. here 5 are shaded, here 3 are shaded, and here 1 is shaded. So which one is the biggest? 6 by 7 is the biggest fraction, is greater than 5 by 7, it is greater than 3 by 7, and the smallest is 1 by 7. So this is the decreasing order, right? Now exercise 11.6, question number 1, insert greater than, less than or equal to sign. Means we have to compare the fraction. Like A part 3 by 9 and 5 by 9, which one is bigger? So you will compare numerator because denominators are same. तो numerator जो बड़ा होगा that would be bigger fraction. So 5 by 9 is bigger than 3 by 9. Now B part 2 by 5, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is bigger than 2 by 5, right? Here H part 4 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 is bigger than 2. So like this you can compare it. Okay. Now the second one, arrange the following in ascending order. Now you can compare the fraction and arrange in increasing order. Now the third one, arrange the following in descending order. You can compare the fraction and then arrange in decreasing order, right? Now ascending and descending order in unlike fractions. अभी हमने compare किए थे like fractions को. Now we are comparing unlike fraction. So example 1, write these fraction in ascending order 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 3 by 10. Now what to do, how we can compare it? So no need to worry. What will you do? You will make the denominator same. आप क्या करेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर को सेम बना देंगे. और सेम कैसे लेंगे? आप लेंगे LCM of the denominators. You have to find the LCM of 4, 5 and 10. So first we are finding multiples of 4, then multiples of 5, multiples of 10, okay, and the smallest least common multiple, that is 20. You know how to find it? So 20 is the LCM of these three numbers. यानी हमें क्या करना है? हर एक फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर को चेंज करना है 20 में. So 1 by 4 में कैसे करेंगे 20? 4 into 5, तो 1 into 5 करना पड़ेगा ऊपर. So that is 5 by 20. Now the next is 1 by 5. 5 को 20 कैसे चेंज करेंगे? 5 4s are, so ऊपर करना पड़ेगा into 4, so 4 by 20. And the third one 3 by 10, इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे? Into 2, 6 by 20. Now we can compare it. Which one is biggest? 6 by 20, then 5 by 20, then 4 by 20, and we can write in the ascending order, increasing order. So this is the answer. You can write actual fraction 1 by 5 less than 1 by 4 less than 3 by 10. Fine. Now example 2, write these fraction in descending order 1 by 5, 3 by 10, 5 by 15. Again unlike fractions. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to make the denominators same by taking their LCM. So let's see. We have to find the common denominator, means multiple of 5, multiple of 10 and multiple of 15. फिर हम common ले लेंगे. So 30 is the least common multiple. LCM is 30. It means denominator को हमें change करना है 30 में. So 1 by 5 को 30 कैसे बनाएंगे? 5 6 are, so ऊपर भी into 6 means 6 by 30. Then 3 by 10, 10 into 3, ऊपर भी into 3, 9 by 30. 5 by 15, 15 into 2, 5 into 2, so 10 by 30. Now we can compare it and we can write in decreasing order. 10 by 30 is bigger than 9 by 30, bigger than 6 by 30. Now write in actual form. So exercise 11.7 is based on such type of question. You can try on your own. Now adding and subtracting like fractions. Adding like fraction. How to add? If fractions are like fractions means denominator are same, what to do? Just फर्स्ट स्टेप ऐड द न्यूमरेटर, न्यूमरेटर्स को ऐड कर दो. स्टेप 2, the denominator remains the same, there is no change in the denominator. And step 3, reduce the fraction to its simplest form. अगर हम उसको reduce कर सकते हैं तो हमें उसे करना है. So let's see example 1. Add 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. So 3 plus 2, 5 by 6. Okay, subtracting like fraction. Now to subtract like fraction, what is the step 1? Subtract the numerators. Now the step 2, the denominator remains same, there is no change. And step 3, reduce the fraction to its simplest form, same as we have done in addition. See example 2, subtract 3 whole 3 by 4 from 4 whole 1 by 4. आप पहले change कर दो improper में, that is 4 whole 1 by 4 equals to 17 by 4. 3 whole 3 by 4 change कर दो, that is 15 by 4. So 17 by 4 minus 15 by 4. So 17 minus 15, 2 by 4. इसको हम reduce करेंगे. Simplest form में means cut it by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Now exercise 11.8, based on such type of question you can try on your own. Now word problems. Example 1. Nikhil spent 5 by 8 of his pocket money on books and 1 by 8 on chocolates. What part of the pocket money did he spend in all? उसने कितना total खर्च किया? So we will add 5 by 8 and 1 by 8. 5 by 8 plus 1 by 8, that is 6 by 8. We can reduce into simplest form. 3 by 4 is the answer. So he spent 3 by 4 of his pocket money, right? Now example 2. Ragini ate 2 by 3 of pizza and Maria ate 1 by 3 of pizza. Who ate more and how much? So pizza eaten by Ragini 2 by 3 part and pizza eaten by Maria 1 by 3. So what to do? We have to compare it. 3 3. It means these are like fractions. So 2 by 3 is bigger than 1 by 3. So who ate more? Ragini ate more. And how much? Means compare करना है, तो आप माइनस कर देंगे. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So Ragini ate 1 by 3 of the pizza more than Maria. So exercise 11.9, based on such type of question you can try on your own. Now we are coming to MCQs. Question number 1, the fraction equivalent to 3 by 4. Equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. देखो A part 12 by 16, 10 by 15, 14 by 10. 10 and 14 we are not able to get by 3. So 12. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So what is answer? Answer is A. The second one, which one of the following is smaller than 9 by 10? 9 by 10 से कौन सा fraction smaller है? 11 by 10? No. 6 by 10? Yes. 12 by 10 is also bigger. So answer is B part. Third one, which of the following is the unit fraction with the largest one digit number as denominator? तो largest one digit number है 9. Okay, and unit fraction means 1 is the numerator. So answer is C part, 1 by 9. Now the fourth one, which of the following is not a group of like fraction? See A part, all denominators are same, 5 5 5, so these are like. B part, all are having 11 as denominator, these are like. C part, all are having different denominator, 2 3 and 4, so these are not like. So C part is the answer. Now the fifth one, which of the following is greatest? 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 6 by 7. So you can compare the fractions and find out which one is greatest, right? So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.